Royal Cleopatra, River Nile, the 5 of the best African boat tours and safaris. There are hundreds of different Nile cruises to choose from, but for those that have the budget, a journey aboard the Royal Cleopatra is a worthy choice. The vessel is a traditional sailboat, or dahabia, handsomely outfitted to evoke the grandeur of the Victorian era. With berths for just 7 tourists, it offers a more intimate experience than many of the larger Nile cruise ships, yet still stops at the same world-famous sites. The 6-day itinerary takes you to Luxor, Edfu, Esna, Aswan, and Kom Ombo, where a professional Egyptologist acts as your guide. In between stops, spend time sunbathing on deck beneath the dahabia's magnificent twin sails, or savoring authentic Egyptian cuisine. You can book a single cabin, or hire the entire vessel.